stand up, Mr. Reyes. You can stay right there. All right, this is cause number 19-1083286F, 19-1083186F, and 19-1083086F. All style state of Texas versus Luis Reyes. Is that you, sir? And we've done a first half, but we didn't have an interpreter. Now Maria is here, so we're going to do everything again. Do you understand? So the interpreter can tell you everything that's going on, all right? Now, Mr. Reyes, you are not a U.S. citizen, is that correct? You understand that you can, we went over this before, but let's go over it again. You can speak to your consulate before entering this plea. However, you're waiving that right, is that correct? You also understand that you will be deported. You understand that? You also understand, which we've gone over a bunch, that you have an absolute right to a trial on this case, but by entering the deal with the state, you're waiving that right. You understand? You've been charged by way of indictment, first-degree felony offense of aggravated sexual assault of a child. First-degree felony carries a range of punishment from 5 to 99 or life in the penitentiary. Knowing the range of punishment and what you're charged with, how do you plead? Guilty or not guilty? And are you doing that on your own free will? Is anybody forcing you to do that? You also went over all this paperwork with your attorney and the interpreter, is that right? Did you understand everything that you signed?
Yes, sir.
Is there a recommendation from the state?
Yes, Your Honor. The state's recommendation is 40 years in institutional division, $500 fine for costs and fees.
Is that your understanding of the state's offer? You understand by accepting that, you're waiving your right to appeal.
Yes.
Anything from the state?
Yes, Your Honor. State offers to consider.
No objections.
States one will be admitted.
State yes.
That's right as well.
Both sides having rested and closed, I will find the evidence sufficient to find you guilty. I will find you guilty. I'll follow the state's offer and sentence you to 40 years in the institutional division. All three have a fine, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
It'll be a $500 fine on each of these along with court costs. Is there any legal reason why sentence should not be pronounced at this time?
No, Your Honor.
Therefore, it's the order and judgment decree of this court to be taken by the sheriff of this county to an authorized receiving agent for the Texas Department of Criminal Justice, where you shall be confined for a period of 40 years. Your sentence shall commence today. You will get credit for any time previously served. We're off the record. Thank you, attorneys, very much. for getting that done. Good job.
Thank you, Maria.
Thank you, everyone, for staying.